Okay, so welcome back. So now in this video we're going to talk about set builder notation. So set builder notation is another way to describe sets, okay? It's commonly used in mathematics and it's something important that you should memorize and know how to do if asked to, okay? So set builder notation starts with curly braces. So the curly braces are always used to denote a set. So even if I had something like this, where I had a curly brace and I had 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, right? So this would denote a set because of the curly braces. Without the curly braces, I don't have a set, okay? So this would be the set of all, what? Natural numbers, right? Why? Because the ellipse means that it keeps going in like fashion or with the same pattern. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, and on and so on to infinity. So this would be the set of natural numbers. Or I could just say this, right? Remember, okay, the set of natural numbers. So again, this notation here, this symbol means the set of natural numbers. Or I could use set builder notation, right? So this is the list method, right? But still has the curly braces, okay? But set builder notation involves a little bit more than just the curly braces. So there's two other pieces to it. We've got to define the variable, right, for the element or the member of the set, right? So in this case, x. X is going to represent a member of this set. And then this vertical line, which is also sometimes we can use a colon, right? So either a vertical line or they also use a colon. Okay, both of which means such that, okay? So we're saying the set, right, the set of all x such that what? Well, then comes the rules or the criteria. This is the criteria that needs to be met in order to become a member or to be in the set, okay? So this is the set of all x such that these rules or these criteria are met, okay? So, for example, if I want all the whole numbers, right? I want all whole numbers between 8 and 11. Okay? I want all the whole numbers from 8 to 11. Okay, so how would I write that? So I would write the set, right? The set of all x such that what? X is an element of the whole numbers, right? So it's an element of the set of whole numbers, so it's a whole number. And what? X is what? I want the numbers from 8 to 11, right? Including 8 and 11. So I would say so x is a whole number and x is between or at least 8 and less than or equal to 11. And so that would be my set builder notation. So this would represent all the whole numbers from 8 to 11. And if I wanted to write it out in list form, then I would just write out 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so this is set builder notation, and this would be like list notation. Okay, so again, but notice they both have the curly braces, which represents a set. Okay, what else? Is there anything else I want to say about that? No. Okay. We'll see you next time. We'll do some examples.